Hello everyone. In today's class, we'll be working on modular arithmetic. Okay, so what is a modular arithmetic? It's all about a remainder arithmetic. Okay, about a remainder arithmetic where we look at two operators, which is the integer and the modular number. So for our integer, we can have it to be positive, okay, or we have it to be negative. For a positive integer we have numbers like 2. For a negative integers, we have numbers like -3 and so on. But for modular arithmetic operation, so let us say we have 2 mod 4, okay. So when we look at this, we have this to be the integer. This is a positive integer, and this one is the operator we are working with. So we can say this one is a modular number, okay. All right, so when we look at this, we see the integer is less than the mod, okay. So when we have things like this, our answer is always the integer. We repeat it back. So when we have, let's say we have the same integer with the same mode, okay, so the answer will always be 0, okay. And in the case we have a negative integers, let's say we have -7, okay, we have mod 3, in mod 3. So when you look at the integer is minus, and when you look at the modular number, it is 3. So what do we do from here? We keep adding 3 to this negative integer until we arrive to the first positive integer. So what do I mean by that? So when I have -7, I will add 3 to it. So when I say -7 plus 3, I have -4, it's still negative. So I'll keep adding 3 to it. So I have -4 plus 3. So here I have -1. Okay, I still have a negative integer. I'll keep adding 3 to it. So I have -1, which is it, plus 3. So when I add this, I have positive 2. So my answer is 2, which is the first positive integer. So our modular arithmetic is a remainder arithmetic where we work with the operators, okay, can come in form of any mode, and the integer, either positive or negative. The question says we should evaluate this modular arithmetic. Okay, so when you look at the first one, we have 3 plus 4 mod 5, 7 minus 3 mod 4, 11 minus 6 mod 8, and 2 minus 6 mod 3. So let us, when you look at it, there are operations involving addition and subtraction. Okay, so how do you go about it? Solution. So for 3 plus 4, which is the first one, mod 5, okay. So let's sort out the integer part. 3 plus 4 is 7. So this one is 7 mod 5. So when you look at this, the integer is positive. The operator here is, the modulus number is 5. So what do we do next? We look at 5, the residue of 5. Your answer must be in any of the residue. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's always between 0 and 5, which is so when you subtract 1 from 5, you have 4. So your final result will come in form of this residue. Okay. So now what do we do next? We say 7, we divide it by 5. Okay. So 7 divided by 5 is 1. We made that 2. Okay. So since modular arithmetic deals with remainder, so our answer here is 2 in mod 5. That's for the first one. So for the second one, we have 7 minus 3 mod 4. Okay. So 7 minus 3 is 4 mod 4. So when we have the same integer with the same modular number, our answer is 0. The answer is 0. Okay, that is the law. When you have the same integer with the same modular number, you have 0 as a result. So for number 3 question, we have 11 minus 6 in mod 8. Okay. So here you have 11 minus 6, we have it to be 5. Okay. 5 mod 8. So when you look at the integer and the modular number, the integer is less than the modular number, so your answer is the integer, which is 5. Okay, so for the fourth one, we have 2 minus 6 mod 3. Okay, so here 2 minus 6 is minus 4 in mod 3. So when you look at this, we have a negative integer and the modular number is 3. So what do? We start adding the modular number to the negative integer until we arrive to the first positive number. So here we have minus 4 plus 3. So for minus 4 plus 3, we have it to be minus 1. Okay, so here we have minus 1 plus 3 again. We have this to be positive 2. So our answer is 2. So when you look at this, when you have a negative integer, keep adding the modular number till you arrive to the first positive integer. And when we have the same integer, the same modular number, your answer is 0. And when you have the integer less than the modular number, the answer is the integer. Thank you very much.